Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Yandex Mail app on your phone. The process is quite easy. Stay with me, I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And on this search bar, simply type Yandex Mail. Then press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now you'll simply have to tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. As the name suggests, it is a mail app. It is quite similar to other mail applications like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail and others. You can easily share mails, and these mails can be professional as well as personal. And it is really convenient to use as well. The app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be all ready to use. So the app has been installed on our phone. Now you'll simply have to tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.